Here is the 2012 to 2016 Honda CR-V. Before we get started though, let me give a quick shout out to Max Automotive for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Toronto, Canada. Check out the link in description for their entire inventory. Now let's go ahead and open the driver's side door. Right by where the driver's left side foot would go, that's the primary hood release lever. Pull it. Now in front of the vehicle, right on top of that Honda emblem over there. On the left side, put one finger in there and then push it right. Like that. Push it right and lift up the hood at the same time. This hood requires a prop rod to stay in place, so grab the rod. Put it in that slot in the hood with the arrow marking it. Right there. Yeah, put it in there. Let it go. And now the hood is secure in place. It's not going anywhere. Okay, now that's where the passenger side turn signal bulb is. The way to access it is from behind over here, that gray bulb holder. All we have to do is just grab it and twist it left like 1/8 of a turn. Just like that. And that's it. Now it's loose. Let's get it out. And that's the bulb right over there. To get the bulb out, all you have to do is push it down, twist it left. So push it down, twist it left, and the bulb is out. Let's take a closer look at the bulb itself. It's got two filaments inside it for two different functions. One is the turn signal and one is the tail light function. The bulb size number is right there on it, 1157NA. Again, 1157NA. So go ahead, get the new 1157NA replacement bulb, and let's put the bulb back in the bulb holder. Now when you're trying to do it, if it doesn't go in, like if you're not able to push it down, just get the bulb out, turn it around, and then put it back in. Now you can push it down, so push it down, twist it right, and the bulb is locked in place. Let's put the bulb holder back into the light. When you're putting it back in, you have to make sure that it's sitting flush. When it sits flush, it sort of just drops in. See that? You have to sort of twist it around, but yeah, just like that. See, once it drops in, just twist it right and lock it in place. Just like that. Now you're done. That's it. Now let's move on to the driver's side one. And the driver's side is the exact same size process and bulb size as the passenger side one. Just as easy, but I'm going to do the process just to show that it is in fact as easy as I say it is. So let's go ahead, twist it left and get the bulb holder out. Let's sort of snake it around that wire. And there's the bulb. So push it down, twist it left, and the bulb is out. Again, 1157NA, that's the bulb. Put the bulb back in, and so push it down and then twist it right to lock the bulb in place. When you're putting the bulb holder back in, again you have to make sure that it's sitting flush, like so it just drops into the light. You may have to sort of twist it around, spend a few seconds doing it, but it's gonna fall in. Yep, just like that. Now twist it right to lock it in place. And that's pretty much it. In order to close the hood, first push it, get the load off the prop rod, get it out of the slot over there, put the prop rod back in its place, secure it, lower the hood, and slam it shut. Hope you found the video useful.